In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple tabs in Notion. If you work across several pages, databases, or dashboards, learning a few quick ways to open new tabs will make your workflow smoother and your focus stronger. Everything I'll show works in the Notion desktop app and in most modern browsers, so you can follow along wherever you are using Notion. First, the quickest way to get a fresh space to work is to open a new, blank tab. Look to the top of your Notion window and click the plus icon next to your current tab. That immediately creates a new tab where you can navigate to any page you need. If you prefer the keyboard, use Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on a Mac. This shortcut does the same thing, and it's great when you are moving fast and don't want to take your hands off the keyboard. Once the blank tab is open, simply navigate through your workspace as you normally would. This method is perfect when you know you want another tab ready, but haven't decided exactly what to load yet. Next, let's keep your context while branching off into related pages. Anytime you see a page link in the sidebar or inside a database, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac, and click the link. That opens the selected page in a brand new tab, leaving the original page right where it is. It's especially helpful when researching, comparing docs, or reviewing database entries because you can open several related items without losing your place. This works consistently across the sidebar, inline links, and database views, so you can stay organized as you explore. Finally, when you need true side-by-side viewing, open a separate Notion window. Press Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on a Mac. Instead of adding another tab, Notion launches a completely new window. This is ideal when you want two pages visible at the same time, like referencing notes while drafting a document or keeping a task board open while you update a meeting agenda. Think of this as leveling up from tabs to a split workspace, giving each page its own space, so you can glance between them without switching. To recap, use the plus icon or Ctrl/Command+T for a blank tab. Hold Ctrl or Command while clicking a page link to open it in a new tab, and press Ctrl or Command+Shift+N to open an entirely new Notion window for side-by-side work. With these simple techniques, you'll move through Notion more confidently and get more done in less time. Thanks for watching.